Number Path is a two-player game. To play, you will need the 100 chart game board, the Think Square overlay, a bag of transparent blue tiles, and a bag of transparent yellow tiles. The aim of number path, factors and multiples is to create a series of tiles from one side of the board to the other. Now it doesn't matter if you go from top to bottom or from left to right as long as the tiles are connected. To be connected, tiles must only join diagonally or they can join like this also. So that's a path across the board from one side to the other. The game begins with one player selecting a number to start with. So for example, the number 12. When yellow's chosen the number 12, blue then, to take their shot, has to choose either a factor or multiple of 12. So factors of 12 include 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. All those numbers go into the number 12, so blue could select either of them. It could also select a multiple of 12, which is 24, or 36, or 48, or 60. You might notice a pattern here. It's going down by 10 across 2, and it keeps going like that. So blue could go on any of those places, and let's imagine they went on the number 24. Yellow would then have to go on a factor or multiple of 24, and they might choose 6. They would say 6 is a factor of 24. Blue's turn, blue might go on a multiple of 6, which is 18. Yellow might then choose 9 because 9 is a factor of 18, and you can see that a path is starting to form. At this point, blue might choose to go on the number 3 because 3 is a factor of 9, and that kind of blocks the path that yellow is trying to make. It does, however, give yellow a whole heap of options because if you count up by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, so on, they've got lots of options. They could also go on the number 1 because 1 is a factor of anything. But then when it's blue's next shot, blue could go anywhere because anything is a multiple of 1. So let's imagine the game's just continued. I'll place some random things around and we'll say that yellow has just placed a tile on the number 89. Now 89 doesn't have any factors, so except for the number 1, and that's been taken. If it was blue's turn and there was no factors available for them to choose, they're forced to not have a turn, but instead of that happening, they get to go anywhere on the board that they would like. If the 1 tile wasn't taken, blue would be forced to go on number 1, and that allows yellow to then go anywhere they like. So if at any point a player gets stuck and they can't make a move, they get to choose anywhere on the board.